Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in a Honda Civic. This is for the years 2006 to 2011. Also, this is the filter I did pick up. They do have them on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can pick that up, or you can spend a little bit more and get a K&N filter, which is actually a washable and reusable filter. I did this route because it's a little bit cheaper. It's a lot easier, and you just replace these every so often. The K&N ones are nice, but they are a little bit more expensive, but it's pretty much a one-time purchase. But let's go ahead and get started with the install. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and come into the passenger side, and we're gonna go right behind the glove box. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open the glove box, and then right up here on the top corner, like on the back side, you're gonna push in on either side, and then it'll allow the glove box to just literally drop down out of place. And right here, you see this little cover that actually says airflow with the arrow pointing down. There's a little tab on each side, so you're gonna push in the tab, and then you're gonna slide this whole tray right out, and there's your cabin air filter. It does sit inside of like a little tray, so you can pull this out. And just remember, it does say airflow with the arrows pointed down. The new filter will also say that as well, so you just make sure that it does match up. And this one, as you can see, is really dirty. There's a bunch of sticks and leaves and stuff in there. So I'm gonna go ahead, take this and throw it away. But as you can see, the new filter looks a lot cleaner. This is a charcoal filter, so it does have that darker look to it. But there's where it actually says airflow on it. So you just make sure that that matches up. But let's pull out the old one and get the new one put in. All right, so now we're gonna take the little tray, and it does have the flat surfaces on the sides. So we're gonna turn it sideways here and just set it right down into place. And then we're gonna go ahead, take it, put it right back into that slot. We'll push it in until it clicks, and then with the glove box, we're just gonna go ahead and lift it up and just push it up into place, and then it automatically locks in, and you close the door and you are done. So this is actually a very quick and easy process, but if it did help you guys out, put down in the comments down below. Also, like I said, there's gonna be links in the description, so if you guys would like to pick up some filters, get them on Amazon. They're really cheap, really convenient, so make sure that's where you look first, because dealerships will charge you probably 2 or 3 times the amount for the exact same product. But if you guys did like the video, go down, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, but as always, thank you for watching.